Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Meet breakout rooms. You'll need to be the meeting host on a computer, and you'll need a paid Google Workspace account since breakout rooms aren't available on free personal accounts. Start or join your Google Meet session as the meeting organizer. Look at the bottom right corner of the meeting interface and click on the Activities button. This opens a panel showing a list of built-in Meet features like polls, questions and answers, and breakout rooms. From the Activities panel, click on Breakout Rooms. A new panel will open on the right side of your screen, showing the room configuration options. At the top of this panel, you'll see a field where you can set the number of breakout rooms you want to create. Choose your number. Google Meet lets you create up to 100 rooms if needed. As soon as you pick a number, Meet automatically spreads your participants across those rooms. You can manually arrange who goes where by dragging and dropping participant names between rooms, or by typing their name directly into a specific room. There's also a shuffle button if you want to randomly mix up the groups. If you want to set a time limit for the breakout session, click the timer button at the top of the panel. Set your time limit here. When the timer runs out, everyone gets pulled back to the main room automatically. Each room will show a 30-second countdown before the time's up. Once you've got your rooms configured, click the Open Rooms button at the bottom right of the Breakout Rooms panel. Your participants will see a prompt on their screen inviting them to join their assigned breakout room, and they'll be moved into those rooms. While the breakout sessions are running, if any participant asks for help, you'll see a notification at the bottom of your screen. You can click Join to jump into that person's room, or click Later to come back to it. An Ask for Help banner will also show above the rooms that need assistance on the breakout room panel. You can edit or remove the timer at any time by clicking Timer again. When you're ready to bring everyone back, close or end the breakout rooms from the panel. Participants get a 30-second warning, then their mic and camera turn off, and they're automatically moved back to the main room. Tips: keep an eye on the help notifications. They're your signal that a participant needs you. If you need to adjust the timer mid-session, you can do that anytime without disrupting the rooms. And remember, latecomers won't be auto-assigned, so you'll need to manually add them to a room if they join after breakout rooms have opened. Thanks for watching.